Let's make a Herbalife Loaded Tea the authentic energy style today. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to make loaded tea like recipes or talk about this Herbalife Loaded Tea phenomenon, and I've been meaning to make this video for some time, and I just thought, you know what, why don't we try, like making this Herbalife Loaded Tea recipe that's just based on my own concept. Okay, right? So it's my first time making it, so let's just go try it out, maybe fail together, make mistakes together. But hey, if you're someone that's been drinking and very experienced with loaded tea recipes, do let me know. Okay, share your favorite loaded tea recipe in the comment below. Essentially, for loaded tea, you're looking at really kind of like loading up the cup with, say, like Liftoff, and also tea, obviously the herbal tea concentrate, or just like Herbalife, like caffeinated, different types of Herbalife caffeinated drinks together. Together with, you can do different boosters. Some like to do like collagen, which I'm gonna do today. Some like to do kind of like the best defense. Some like to do like just aloe. What else? Yeah, let me know, right? So basically our Herbalife Loaded Tea consists of a lot of caffeine, a lot of vitamins, a lot of aloe, and maybe a lot of other goodness that you can get from the Herbalife products. Okay, so for today, for my version of the loaded tea, what I would like to do is, because I am very sensitive to caffeine, okay, so I would like to bring down the caffeine. I would like to unload the caffeine, and I would just use maybe half a teaspoon of the NRG tea, the Brazilian tea. So that is my caffeine, the only source of caffeine. I won't be using any leftovers or any other sources of caffeinated Herbalife drinks, just the NRG tea, okay. And I'll be also mixing the Beverage drink mix, which is the wild berry flavor, okay. I want my loaded tea to have a lot of protein. And I will also be using our Herbalife Skin Collagen Beauty Booster as well. So this is how I usually like to have my drink, my loaded tea or my loaded drink, where it's packed with collagen goodness. It's packed with some caffeine, a little bit of energy booster, and of course lots of protein. Okay, so I'm customizing it to suit my need, as a busy parent who needs, that energy boost, but not too much, because too much loaded caffeinated drink can make me crazy, and my body doesn't agree with that. So if you're someone that's also sensitive to caffeine, this loaded tea recipe might actually resonate with you. All right, let's make this drink. So my plan for this drink is for it to have 2 layers of colors. So the bottom, we're gonna do the tea and the protein drink mix, so like a darker pink color, and then I'm gonna pour the skin collagen booster on top. And I have learned from other recipes that you have to put a lot of ice inside this cup, which I'm personally not a fan of. I don't like drinking drinks that are just loaded with ice, but for the sake of presentation to make the colors appear, I think I do have to use a lot of ice. Otherwise, I think the colors will actually mix up, right? So I think the ice will actually hold the colors together. But anyway, let's try with a lot of ice first, okay? And then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so firstly, let's make our bottom layer. The bottom layer will do 1 scoop. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of the protein drink mix. Let's just do that, 1 scoop, okay. And then I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of our NRG tea, okay? Our Brazilian natural guarana tea, just half a teaspoon. I don't want it to be too loaded, okay? Even though NRG tea is so much better in terms of giving me that gentle energy push, gentle energy lift compared to herbal tea concentrate, but I still don't want it to be too much. Okay, so I got my mixing here. You can do 2 scoops of the protein drink mix if you like, but I don't want it to be too sweet as well. So I'm just trying out, maybe I'm thinking about 200 ml of water in here. So I got my measuring cup here. Okay, and then we mix it up. Okay, so I think with these powder, it's actually okay to use just room temperature. I just use room temperature water. And I know that for some of the other recipes, you do have to use warm water to mix things up. So with room temperature, look at that. This is a really good color. I think 200 ml should be okay. And let me taste it first. It's actually pretty good, yeah. All right, we'll do that. So we'll pour this at the bottom. Let me load it up with some ice first. Okay, I've used all my ice. All my ice cubes in my fridge. Okay, I guess, yeah, 200 ml can really fill up the whole cup almost. But let's leave some room for like the collagen boost. Okay, so now let's make our collagen boost. You could actually mix it up again. Like if you do want to load it up, you could load up your collagen booster with some aloe. But I don't really want it to taste too sweet because the collagen drink has already got like enough, you know, flavor, right? So, and I don't like my drinks too sweet anyway. So let's just do 1 scoop, okay, the standard 1 scoop of collagen powder, okay. Drop it in here, and I'm gonna use room temperature water as well to mix it up. Room temperature water. Let's do maybe just 100. Okay, what's that? 150? Okay, almost 150. Okay, let's not do too much. And mix it up. Okay, you gotta give it a really good stir because of the collagen powder, just the texture. But you can see the longer you stir it, the more pink it turns. Okay, so it really depends on how you want to design your drink. I know some people are very particular with the colors. Okay, now we got this really nice pink color here, right? I do actually want to dilute it a little bit more, but let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see if it's gonna pour on top or is it gonna like sink. Okay, this is like, you know, 100% real here, you know, like it's not gonna be a perfect one if it sink, but you know, just want to show you guys this is my version, how like after watching quite a few, you know, loaded tea recipe videos, how I decide to try my own. Okay, now this is our collagen and let's pour on top. Okay, not too bad. You can see the color. It's like a very light pink. Okay, I think it immediately just kind of like mixes up with my protein drink mix. I realized I should have poured in the liquid first, then the ice, not the ice first, then the liquid. Do let me know in the comment if you're someone that's very experienced with loaded tea. Let me know, okay, how should I fix this if I want to have like 2 very beautiful colors mixed together. Otherwise, I'm actually personally happy with it. I know presentation wise, it's not ideal, right? Ideally, you want to see 2 colors, right? But it's my first attempt, and I'm actually happy to go ahead and drink this. Okay, let's drink it together. It does have a lot of ice. I normally don't like to drink my drinks that ice cold, but you know, let's try it together. Oh, it's actually really nice and refreshing. Maybe a little bit too sweet for my own personal taste. So what I would do is I'll probably bring down the sweetness by reducing the amount of protein drink mix, and just enjoy the collagen, just the collagen and the tea. The flavor from the collagen and the tea here. This is amazing. I'll totally go for this than like, I don't know, buying a drink from Starbucks or some other drink shops, right? This is actually really refreshing, even though we're not in summer yet. But imagine having this in the middle of summer, right? When you're thirsty, when you're like craving for like a very nice iced beverage. Make yourself a Herbalife Loaded Tea that's loaded in protein, loaded in like really good Brazilian tea, NRG tea goodness, loaded in like collagen, right? I can't do the fingers, but yeah, I'm actually happy with it. Even though the presentation is not that great. I know it doesn't do the 2 separations of the colors, but hey, this is my first attempt, and let me know, you know, your experience with loaded tea and how can I improve the look of it, and also what is your favorite loaded tea recipe in the comment below, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe video. I haven't made a recipe video for a long time. I'm having a lot of fun here doing my first attempt recipe video with you guys, and I'm very happy with my own version of it, despite the look of it. And of course, if you guys have any questions about Herbalife products or anything like that, and if you want me to be your coach and coach you on like Herbalife nutrition, your weight loss journey, or your Herbalife business, feel free to reach out to me, or you can find out the link in the description how you can get started, how you can get working with me. Okay, so thank you so much everybody for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget, Wednesday we go live at 5 p.m. Pacific time.